Welcome back to my channel, y'all. It's your girl Shantae Pink back with another video, and I would like if you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and please comment below so we can have some dialogue. Just don't have me talking to myself. But this video will be an unboxing of a piece of jewelry that I have wanted, and I decided to give it to myself for completing my program. And it's also other things I want to do, but it's like not so much material things as much as like spa, relaxation, and things like that. So let's just jump into this unboxing. What we have here is Gucci. Yes, y'all. I've been wanting this jewelry for like some time now. It got a matching pair of a couple of things like the ring, the stud earrings, and the bracelet. I don't know what other piece on because I'm unsure really. So I know I really wanted the necklace. So here's the packaging. Green. I really love this. This is cute. Yes. Okay. When you unbox it, it's like this little brown cardboard something. Well, actually, it's backwards. Hold on. It's like this. Green. This is what the necklace is. And it's like a beige. It looks like a little paper bag. It says Gucci on there. In the back, this little board is brown. And this Gucci little card. Also, this little beaded stuff. Oh, yeah, yeah. I tried a new hairstyle. So tell me if y'all like it or what. It's kind of new for me. Cute because I never had everything like laid down. I'm used to having some type of hair out, but it's like a little mini bun in the back. So if y'all like it, please comment below. Tell me what y'all think. So I was a little self conscious because I'm like I never had braids like down, like laid down on my head, no hair out, no nothing, but the hair is in the back. It's like a little small bun. So I wanted to go for a little minimum hairstyle. But back to what we're here for is this necklace unboxing. So pull back the flap, and what we have in here is the price, the serial number. Um, this like the tag, Gucci tag. Here's the necklace. It's clear. Looks like I can't open it, so let me just try to rip this apart. Um, Man, the background noise is my son. Currently making this video during his little break before going back to his next class. Oh, ooh, this is tough. Okay, here's the little thing it's in. Looks like. Here it goes. So it's silver tone. As y'all see, I love silver. It's like this heart. See, it's a heart. And it says Gucci. And I believe it says made in Italy. So yes, it's silver. I love silver jewelry. Here's the clasp. And I made sure I didn't have no jewelry on my neck so y'all can see me try on. See how this goes. This is pretty easy. My first choice was to go for a Tiffany's necklace, but I'm so tired of seeing them. Even though what I was getting was going to be different or whatever, I just was like, I'd rather get something different first and then give me the Tiffany's necklace. So, yes. Yeah, I'm having a little trouble trying to put this on by myself. Okay.
I can't get the door. I can't.
Okay, this is how it looks on. It's cute. It's a nice, decent length. It's not too long. Oh, y'all see that sparkle? Okay, I see y'all, Gucci. But yes, this is cute. Yes, I like it. I like it. It sits up real good. It's shining. It's pretty. Here's another close
Because
up.
it's not working. Nobody wants to leave.
Okay. So, yes, I like it. I got mine from Saks Fifth Avenue online, but this is available on Macy's and the Gucci site. And they all the same price, so it's no difference. It's just a different website I got mine on. So I like it. It's shining, blinking, like how we like things. Cute, minimal. So y'all, tell me what y'all think about this necklace. Comment below. Tell me if you like the necklace. Tell me what are some things on your wish list where you're trying to treat yourself. And thanks for watching. And see y'all in my next video. Bye.